The DSWD says it will provide 206.36 million pesos in augmentation assistance to 27 local government units hit by Typhoon Nina. DSWD Secretary Judy Taguiwalo said the assistance covers food and non-food items, consisting of 580,857 family food packs, 2,459 ready-to-eat meals, 1,585 malongs, 885 mosquito nets, 885 blankets, and 585 dignity kits. Taguiwalo said this assistance is on top of the goods that have been pre-positioned to the LGUs. She also said that disaster and relief operation units of the DSWD continue to monitor and provide aid in areas battered by Typhoon Nina. More details from Aya Macalma.
Repacking of relief goods is now 24/7 operational in the Department of Social and Welfare and Development, or DSWD, in Pasay City. Their target is to be able to repack 50,000 relief goods in just one day. Uniformed personnel from Army, Air Force, Navy, and Philippine National Police started their deployment today. In fact, a total of 200 PNP personnel will be on duty to help repack much faster. According to Police Senior Superintendent Melvin Rico Hermoso, they will still continue repacking as long as there will be more food packs, even until it will last until New Year.
Tama po yun, sapagkat yung nandito ngayon na nagre-repack ay mga naka-standby sila sa training center natin sapagkat hinati natin sa 2 break yung ating mga trainees. So yung babalik na galing sa Christmas break, sila naman yung ipapalit natin dito sa mga to bukas at saka sa mga susunod pa mga araw.
However, DSWD was able to send out 50,000 relief goods en route to Bicol region as their first request after Typhoon Nina made a landfall. In one food pack, it consists of 6 kilos of rice, 4 pieces of canned goods of corned beef and sardines, and 6 packs of coffee, which will last 2 to 3 days in each family. The DSWD employees will not stop their operations until New Year.
That's why ongoing po tayo. So, ang operation natin ay hindi naman tayo titigil since sinacrifice na natin ang Christmas. Looking forward na rin tayo na baka si New Year sacrifice na rin.
For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.